Winter driving can be dangerous, even in a Volkswagen. Let's make winter driving a little safer with some expert tips. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a sales consultant here at Volkswagen Waterloo. Did you know installing winter tires on your vehicle improves traction and control in frost, snow, icing conditions, and shortens braking distance by as much as 25%? It is important to note when winter tires are installed on Volkswagens with 4Motion that they greatly improve traction and control, but have limited impact on the already great braking distance. It is a must that you always install a complete set of 4 winter tires. You should never mix different types of tires on a single vehicle. If the tires you purchase don't have the distinct 3-peak mountain with the snowflake symbol, they are not certified winter tires. Most Volkswagens do have all-season tires installed, which are amazing for many types of traction situations, but won't deliver you the same protective performance as a solid set of true winter tires. 7 degrees Celsius is Ontario's recommended cutoff point for when you should make the switch. All seasons at this temperature begin to lose grip, and if you toss in slush or snow, driving will become unsafe for you and others on the road. The last thing you should continuously check all winter is your tire pressure. Drastic temperature changes can fluctuate pressure, reducing all the safety precautions you just invested in. Keep your eyes peeled for any damages or unexpected wear from potholes, curbs, or hidden objects lost in the snow. If you think it's time for a tire swap or need a fresh set, give us a call. We have a vast stock of winter tires designed specifically for your vehicle. Join us in part 3 as we further discuss winter driving tips. Thank you again for tuning in.